What up, YouTube peeps? Gamer Pro 5 here, live from my room. Check out the fridge. It's already completed, and now filled with supply of Gatorades. Sheesh, I don't think she is. Storing my Gatorades right here. Just store whatever I want. I want to do whatever I want. I don't care what time people say. I want to do whatever I want. Look, okay. Man, this mini fridge can keep anything, but there's my, water. Yep, there's my bottle. But every time, now, I'm gonna fill this supply of sodas. Now to put my supply of sodas in this fridge. Seriously. Now that I've got the fridge fixed and that my room's upgraded with the new mini fridge. Dope! So, like, I'm gonna get some new stuff to put on this fridge. So, this is my update for the new fridge. This is new and improved Gamer Pro 5 signing out.